friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making cream cheese stuffed dates. For this very easy appetizer, all you use 2 ingredients, dates and cream cheese. It's super simple, but it's something different and everybody likes them. They're so good. So all you need to do is cut dates in half and take out the pits. And I'll put them on a plate. So they're ready to be stuffed with cream cheese, and I'll just do a few more so you can do as many as you like for your appetizer. And now let's stuff them with cream cheese. So just simply take a little cream cheese and put it inside the dates. Perfect. So super easy, and this instant appetizer is ready. So no cooking, it's made in minutes, and they're so delicious. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love dates and cream cheese. They're so good. They taste amazing. You're going to love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!